Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the third part of this tutorial. Please kindly go back and watch the part 1 and part 2. The link will be dropped under the description of this video. Please guys, watch part 1 and part 2 for a better understanding. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button. Thank you and God bless you. If you want to learn how to fix your bag lock, please I'll be dropping the link under the description of this video so you can watch the full knowledge. You can have the full knowledge. You can watch the full video of how you can fix your bag lock. So I have the video. I've already done the video. Please go and watch it. I'm not going to show full details here, so you can watch. You can click on the link to watch. Now I'm through wrapping the D-ring. I'm through wrapping the outer and the inner of the bag, and this is the bottom aspect. Like I said in my previous video, I'm gonna be making use of pure leather all through this bag. So the interior will be pure leather and the outer will be pure leather. So this is pure leather. I'm making use of pure leather to close up the inner part. Now I'm stitching my D-ring to my gussets. You can decide to stitch yours with the inner leather, or you can stitch it before wrapping your inner leather to your gusset. So now the next thing is to fix my flap. The measurement is 1.2 inches. So I'm just gonna put my flap this way and stitch it using my flatbed machine. Now I'm through with the flap. I'm through with the outer body. So the next thing is to stitch my corsets together. Guys, I'm through joining the corset to the bottom. The next thing I'll be doing right now is to fix the inner parts, and I'm just gonna stitch my pockets to my to the inner interior, to the inner leather. But first I have to fix my label, which is Khembuzz. I have to fix it on it, and then after that I'm just gonna fix the inner pocket to the leather. Now I'm through with the inner pocket, and right now I'm just gonna take my, still working on the inner parts, right? So I'm just going to take the inner handle and place it on my inner leather. Don't forget we're working on the interior for now, not the outer part but the inner part of the bag. Right now I'm applying gum to the handle, to the outer handle and to the inner handle. So I'm just gonna glue them together and stitch with my flatbed machine. Please guys, if you have any question, please you can drop your question under the comment section. And guys, I'll be dropping my next video next week, so guys please watch out for my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button for more interesting updates from me. Guys, I'm through stitching everything, and now I'm just gonna glue the pocket side, the inner interior, just gum it to the outer parts of the bag. Yeah, so after that I'm just gonna pull everything together, the gusset, the main body, which is the first and the second body, the back and front, right? So I'm just gonna just use my clip to hold everything together because I want to fix the bag lock. So I have to pull everything together to get the center and the right place for it. So guys, now what I'm actually doing is using my leather to hold, the um lock. Yes, I'm using it as a stopper so that the lock can be very, very strong. So guys, please, if you want to do yours, do exactly the same. It helps a lot. So guys, I'm almost through with this tutorial. I'm almost through with it. It's so interesting, so lovely, and the outcome of the bag looks so super super amazing. So now I'm just gonna glue the interior to the main body. Then after gluing it, I'm just gonna glue my gusset and stitch with my cylinder arms machine. So this is the end of today's tutorial. This tutorial has come to an end. I hope you guys love it, and I hope you learned one or two things from this. Please drop a comment if you really love this tutorial. If you really, if you really love it, please drop a comment. And guys, share my videos, subscribe, like my videos. Thank you. I love you all, and God bless you.